Hey folks, in this video we are going to talk about query strings in Node.js. Before going to start this video, if you haven't checked out my channel and if you are new to my channel, then kindly check out my all the playlist which is given in the description. So kindly check it out, my whole channel, and without further wasting any time, let's start. So what is query string? So query string is an extension of website's uniform resource locator, means URL, that sends the additional information to our database. The information within the parameter is sent in form of key value pairs. So let's understand it with an example. So this is about page and this is the URL of about. And now first of all let's console our upcoming queries, or you can say upcoming query requests. So this is the syntax to access our query string. And now let's provide here in the URL our query string. So we have to provide here question mark. Let's say I want to provide ID which is 1, and let's say name. So name is equals to cww, and let's press enter. So let's say, and you can say we are accessing this ID1 and name is cww. And now let's access. So let's say request.query.name and let's say ID. Now let's press enter, and you can see we are accessing both our values individually. Now let's try to put these values in our about HTML file, or you can say about.ejs file. And now let's try to access these values in our EJS file. So let's provide here, let's say data, and I think this is the syntax. I think this is our syntax. So let's close this. Let's provide here data, and let's provide here request.query. And now let's try to access this request.query from the data. So let's go to about.ejs. So this is our about.ejs, and let's provide here, let's say h1, and this is the syntax to access our value. So let's say data dot id, or let's say name. Let's press enter and let's refresh, and you can see this is the www. Let's provide here id also. So let's say id and press enter, and you can see 1 and cww. Let's change this id. So let's say 2. So you can see this is 2. Let's provide change name. Let's say hello world, and you can see. So that's how we can use query strings in Node.js. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.